Kauna-unahang speech ng ating Prime Minister ay napakagandang mensahe guys dahil kasama ang Pilipinas. Pakinggan niyong mabuti ang kanyang sinabi. Ita-translate ko po ito sa English. Ayan guys, uulitin ko po ang kanyang mensahe guys mula sa simula. Para po marinig nyo ang kanyang mabuting hangarin para sa Pilipinas at mga Pilipino guys. Pakinggan niyong mabuti guys. Good evening everyone. Today I am Takaichi Sanae, who was elected as the president of the Liberal Democratic Party. I became the president today and I want to lead the LDP once again. It's the party that can be relied of all members of LDP at the public. And a reliable political party. Well worries about our current lives and well worries about future. These are the students who can turn these ideas into dreams and hopes, who came up with policies like that. We are running in the business such way that you can enjoy it. I would like to come anyway. This time I think maybe we able to change and landscape of the Liberal Democratic Party little. Many people will see cheerful and energetic and positive and hardworking with me together. I will do my best to make sure that you receive it. As I mentioned in today's final vote, my personal policy is to ensure that everyone is active and everyone is happy. I want to make this the LDP where can all work together to make a collective decision. I want to make the LDP party that works together with whole generation to make a decision like this. I think so, and above all, we don't have time much. I received this as we should hold an extraordinary diet session. And we must address the issues that many citizens are currently facing as quickly as possible. We must do whatever it takes to combat rising prices. Ayan, para ma-resolvehan ang rising prices. And I think so, and now, we are now in a very difficult time in terms of diplomacy and security. We must continue to discuss this issue. Diplomacy is important, so I would like to put my efforts into it all costs. Well, today I just assumed the position of President So, as I was personal decision was appealing to the public during the president election, and I was also concerned about the decision of policy. Not only that, but we listened to the opinions of many people and held thorough discussions. We came up with policy that everyone can agree with. I would like to turn into political party where all many diplomatic issues to be addressed from now on. Yes, first of all, we need to strengthen the Japan-US alliance. It is also important. There are times we need to cooperate to Australia and Philippines. There are also things we need to cooperate within the Philippines. The Indo-Pacific, well, here too, Japan is stepping forward more and more. I will contribute to world peace. Many people will save from the common tuition fees. Ayan guys, ang kanyang sinabi. Pasensya na kayo, hindi ako masyadong magaling magbasa ng English. Dahil alam nyo na, nandito na ako sa Japan at lagi na ako nagninihongo. Pero, sana naunawaan nyo guys, i-highlights ko sa inyo. There are also things we need to operate with in the Philippines. Ayan, highlighten po ang Philippines sa kanyang first speech. So, hopefully, At umasa tayong mga Pilipino sa Japan at umasa tayong mga Pilipino sa Pilipinas na mas magiging close ang ties ng Japan at ng Philippines. Mabuhay ang ating bagong Prime Minister na.
O, di ba guys? Highlighted ang Philippines. May question ba kayo guys? Masaya ba kayo para sa kanyang bagong speech or sa kanyang kauna-unahang speech bilang Prime Minister? At may question ba kayo guys? Paki-comment na lang po kung kayo ay nasiyahan sa bago niyang speech. Thank you so much for watching.